The digital revolution has opened countless doors for entrepreneurs, and AI is now the ultimate sidekick for creating passive income. One of the most lucrative and surprisingly simple opportunities is selling AI-generated coloring books on Etsy. With zero design skills, no inventory, and minimal upfront costs, this side hustle can realistically net you $100 a day. Below, I'll break down exactly how to do this, step by step, using free or affordable tools. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set up your Etsy shop for success. Your Etsy shop is your storefront, and optimizing it from day one is critical. Here's how to do it right. Create your seller account. Go to Etsy.com, click Sell on Etsy, and follow the prompts. Use a dedicated email, for example, yourname.coloringbooks@gmail.com, to keep orders organized. Name your shop something catchy and niche-specific, like Mystique Art or Color with Eye. Avoid generic names. Specificity helps with branding and SEO. Enable instant downloads. In your shop settings, toggle on Instant Download under Listings. This ensures customers receive their PDF immediately after purchase, eliminating manual work for you. Set up payment methods. Connect a PayPal account or bank card. Etsy requires a valid payment method to disburse your earnings. Craft your shop policies. Write a clear refund policy, for example. Digital downloads are non-refundable. Use Etsy's templates to save time. Pro tip: upload a shop logo using Canva's free templates. A professional look builds trust. Step 2. Generate coloring pages with DALL-E 3 the right way. DALL-E 3, accessible via ChatGPT+, $20 a month, is your golden ticket. Unlike other AI tools, its outputs are commercially usable, meaning you can legally sell the artwork. Here's the exact process. Craft winning prompts. Open ChatGPT, select DALL-E 3 and type. Generate a black and white line art drawing of, niche for example, enchanted fairies in a glowing forest. Use thick outlines, high contrast, and no shading. Make it suitable for a coloring book page. Refine prompts for variety. Add intricate floral patterns around the fairy. Include a whimsical castle in the background. Generate 10 to 15 images per book. For a 15-page coloring book, create 15 unique images. Focus on trending niches like adult themes, mandalas, mindfulness patterns. Kids' favorites: dinosaurs, unicorns, superheroes. Seasonal: Halloween pumpkins, Christmas snowscapes. Avoid common mistakes. Low resolution: ensure images are 2000 x 2000 pixels for crisp printing. Overly complex designs: simplify shapes for easy coloring. Why this works: Etsy shoppers crave novelty. AI lets you tap into trends, for example, cottagecore or vintage botanicals, faster than human artists. Step 3. Compile your coloring book in Canva. Turn your AI art into a polished PDF using Canva's free plan. Create a new design. Select a 4 size, standard for printing. Design a cover page. Use bold text, magical fairy coloring book, 15 stress relief pages. Add a preview image from your DALL-E 3 outputs. Arrange your pages. Drag images into the project, 1 per page. Add page numbers for a professional touch. Include a bonus page. Add a thank you note with a 10% discount code for future purchases, for example, Fairy 10. This encourages repeat sales. Export as PDF. Click Share, Download, PDF Print. Pro tip: use Canva's magic design tool to auto-format pages if you're short on time. Step 4. Optimize your Etsy listing for viral sales. Etsy's search algorithm rewards specificity. Here's how to rank higher. Title formula. Niche: coloring book PDF. Audience: use case. Example: adult dinosaur coloring book. Stress relief art therapy. Instant download. Tags. Use all 13 tags. Include primary keywords: dinosaur coloring pages, PDF coloring book. Long tail keywords: printable coloring sheets for adults. Description template. Unwind with 15 hand-drawn dinosaur illustrations. Perfect for adults and kids. This instant download lets you print pages at home anytime. Ideal for gifts, relaxation, or creative therapy. Pricing strategy. Charge $4.99-$5.99 per book. To hit $100 a day, aim for 20 sales daily. Pro tip: run a buy 2, get 1 free promo to boost order value. Step 5. Drive traffic with Pinterest, zero ad spend. Pinterest is a visual search engine and your secret weapon. Create a business account. Claim your free account at Pinterest.com. Design pins that convert. Use Canva to create vertical pins, 1000 x 1500 pixels. Free fairy coloring page. Click for full book. Include your Etsy listing URL in the pin. Post consistently. Share 5 to 10 pins daily across boards like adult coloring tips or kids' activities. A case study. A seller in the mandala niche gained 50,000 monthly views by pinning daily for 3 weeks, driving 30 daily Etsy sales. Scaling to $100 day. Launch multiple listings. Start with 5 to 10 books in different niches, for example, vegan recipes, space aliens. More listings, more traffic. Repurpose old designs. Bundle 3 coloring books into a mega pack and sell it for $12. Automate with AI. Use ChatGPT to write product descriptions or generate new niche ideas, for example. Give me 10 trending themes for adult coloring books. Overcoming common roadblocks. Low sales? Revise titles tags using Etsy's search bar suggestions. For example, type coloring book into Etsy's search to see autocomplete keywords. Copyright issues? Stick to original AI-generated art. Avoid trademarked characters, for example, Disney princesses. Final push, your first 24-hour action plan. 9 a.m. Set up your Etsy shop. 11 a.m. Generate 15 DALL-E 3 images. 1 p.m. Create your PDF in Canva. 5 p.m. Pin 5 designs to Pinterest. By tomorrow, you could have your first sale. So, are you ready to start earning $100 a day with this AI side hustle? The tools are right at your fingertips and the possibilities are endless. All it takes is a little effort and the willingness to learn. Don't wait, get started today, and you could see results in no time. Remember, the AI revolution is here, and now's the perfect time to jump in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone who could use a little extra cash. What are you waiting for? Start your AI side hustle now and take control of your financial future.